Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is a request. So I'm gonna do a soft glam eye featuring, if you haven't read the title, Jones Road Beauty. I think what I'm gonna do with this look though is I'm gonna do a day to night kind of look. So we're gonna start off with a nice kind of basic eye, everyday look, and we're gonna like zhuzh it up for evening. So let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna come in a little bit close so we can do eyes together. So I'm going to be featuring the starter kit with the mascara and the Midas sparkle shadow. But first, for an everyday look, let's start with that one. All right, so I have foundation on. I have some, I have color on my face. I'm gonna start off with the eyeshadow. It's called Just a Sec. I've reviewed it. I will link the video of me reviewing it. But I'm going to start off with that one, and I am just warming the product up on my finger. Look at this. It's such a cool, like, bouncy texture. I'm going to go from my lash line to just about my crease. Now, I prefer using my fingers for this. I don't know. I like working with my fingers better. So I'm just going to apply that. And I'm going to take it up to about my crease. Just like that. See how it brightens up my eye? So I like that even just for every day. I look a little more awake, which I needed that today. All right. I'm going to do one eye on camera, kind of fast forward the other eye, and then we're going to take it into night. Next, I'm going to take the best pencil, which is this one, and I'm just going to line the top of my lashes. I like to start on the outside and work my way in. I'm not going to wing my line. I just want to define it. We'll save the winging for the nighttime. Just like that. See, big difference already. This is good for every day. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the best eyeshadow, which is the most pigmented best eyeshadow. I'm going to take it on a slanted brush, and I am just going to go over the line I just made. It's nice, it's defined, but I want it a little bit darker. See what, like that was a difference. I know you can tell there was a difference, because I can tell. All right, gonna even myself out, and I'll be right back. All right, so now I'm evened out on both eyes. Both eyes look defined. They look pretty. I'm gonna put on some Cool Gloss, and this is your daytime look. Okay, so here we have it. Now we're gonna pretend I have mascara on. I didn't put mascara on because now I want to play with the eyeliner, and I really want to take this from day to night. So let's do that. Sorry, I just needed to adjust. I was a little bit like, it was too down. Okay, now we're gonna take it from day to night. I am going to go back in with that black pencil. I sharpened it. I'm gonna tight line under my eyelashes just to give my lashes a fuller effect. See how that just gives it just a little bit of something. Now, if you know me, I love a winged eyeliner. We're going to wing this baby out. I'm going to take the liner and I'm going to just pull it out. Just like that. And I'm going to just take this part that I pulled and I'm going to reconnect it with the line. The pencil is a nice, dense pencil. Let the pencil do the work for you. Don't go crazy over here trying to like line it. Just, that's it. Easiest thing in the world. Now I'm going to take the pencil and I'm going to just kind of pull the liner into my inner corner. Actually, let me look at you guys and do it that way. And I'm kind of just filling in this little part here because I'm going to connect it to that part of my eye. And you can already see by me pulling the wing out here and pulling the inner corner, my eye looks bigger already. Now I'm going to line my waterline. Just like that. And it's not like a super, super black line in my waterline, but it's enough where you can see it. Like you can see it on camera, you'll see it in person. That's one. I'm gonna go back in with the best eyeshadow. And I'm gonna trace over that wing. And just like that. So you can have a crisp line. And then whatever's left over, I'm actually going to run underneath my lash lines, my bottom lash line. Just like that. My eye looks huge now. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with some Midas. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand because I'm going to work off of my hand to put it on my lid. Just like that. And I'm going to tap. And I'm going to bring that kind of to like my crease. See? And now, last but not least, we are going to put on some mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to go in with the mascara. So I'm just going to clean this little part up just a bit. So there you have it. I'm going to call this the cat eye. I'm gonna even myself out. I'll be right back. So now I'm evened out on both eyes. My eyes are like the main focus. Now I'm gonna bring a little bit of color, a little bit of balance. I'm gonna be using the Cool Gloss now in a different shade. This is Boysenberry. And I'm gonna just take that on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna apply that to my lips because now I'm like totally bare. Now I'm applying it on sheer. Just to give like just a little bit of something. Now, I do need blush. And I just remembered something. I filmed another video before and I forgot to put moisturizer on. I prepped my skin and everything, but I forgot to seal it with moisturizer. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Miracle Balm on the dry parts of my face that I'm noticing. So I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna show you guys. I have like dry patches here and I'm just gonna pat that in with the Miracle Balm. If you're curious, this was in the shade Bronze. That definitely helped a lot. Okay. And I'm gonna go in, I don't want a strong blush shade, so I'm gonna go in with Dusty Rose as sort of my blush. And I'm gonna take that. And now there's a little more life to my face. It's good to have a focus, but it's also good to balance it out a little bit with some color. So there you go. Here is my day to now night look with Jones Road. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I will try my best to answer all of your questions. And thank you so much for watching. And if you made it this far and you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, the like button. What are you waiting for? All right, guys, I will see you in my next video.